In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format ETH in Microsoft Word so that it appears as a smaller superscript. This is particularly useful when you're writing dates like 15th, and you want your document to have a professional and polished look. It's a small detail, but it can make a big difference in the overall presentation of your document. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open your Microsoft Word file. Whether you have your document saved on your computer or you're opening a new blank page, the process remains the same. Once you have your document in front of you, scroll to the section where you want to apply the change. Next, you need to locate the part of your text where you've typed "th". This is typically found after numerical dates, but you can use this method wherever you'd like to apply the superscript. Using your cursor, click and drag over the "th" portion of your text to highlight these characters. This selection ensures that only the "th" will be affected by the formatting change. Now here's where you perform a neat little trick with your keyboard. Press the Control, Shift, and the ++ key on your keyboard at the same time. Holding these keys down simultaneously transforms the selected "th" into a smaller superscript version. If you're on a Mac, you might need to use the Command key instead of Control, so keep that in mind. This shortcut is an efficient way to adjust your text without going into the menu settings every time. It not only saves time, but also makes your workflow smoother and more efficient. Plus, once you get the hang of it, you'll find it's much quicker to use these keyboard shortcuts than to fumble through different menus. And just like that, you're done. Your ETH should now be neatly tucked into a superscript position, enhancing the readability and aesthetics of your document. If you make a mistake or decide you want to change the text back to normal, simply re-highlight the "the" and press the same shortcut again, or use Ctrl+Z to undo your last action. This little formatting trick is user-friendly and perfect for anyone looking to tidy up their Microsoft Word documents. You can use it whenever you need to apply superscript to small portions of your text. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try it out on different parts of your documents until it becomes second nature. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to elevate your document formatting in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tip helpful, make sure to check out more of our tutorials for enhancing your word processing skills.